Welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'll show you how to close a tab that won't close, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting tips. Step 1. First, right-click on the unresponsive tab in your browser. A small menu will appear. Select Close Tab from the list. This often works to shut down the problematic tab. Step 2. If the tab still doesn't close, you can try closing the entire browser. Simply click the X button in the top right corner of the browser window. Step 3. If the browser itself won't close, press Ctrl-Shift-ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Step 4. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Processes tab and look for your browser in the list of running programs. Step 5. Select your browser and click on End Task at the bottom right corner of the Task Manager. This will force the browser, along with the unresponsive tab, to close. And that's it. Thanks for watching.